day. My name is Solomon Wenya, and I'm a student at UNISA, currently enrolled in transportation, pavement, and geometric design. And I'm here to do a presentation on a project. Without wasting any time, I'll proceed. So the road that I chose to upgrade is a 4.4 kilometer road, and it's in Velcom. It's called Copy Alien Upgrade. The Rebecca Township in Machabeng, Velcom, in the Free State Province, is a developing township that needs an upgrade of road due to the road reaching its lifespan period. A civil engineering technologist was approached by local authorities to design the Copy Alien Road and provide a design report. The report covers the Copy Alien Road from chainage 0 to 4.4 kilometers. The design report involves the provision of an additional lane in both directions of the Copy Alien Road, which is approximately 4.4 kilometers road long. The need to upgrade this section was highlighted by Machabeng Local Municipality Project Management Unit due to the fact that the road has reached its maximum lifespan. As you can see, this is the picture of the location. The chainage will be 20 meters interval. The coordinates are as stated on the document, and the road category is B, an interurban collector. The design data. These factors were taken into consideration during the design phase. The terrain mode, which is a flat region, weather conditions, traffic counting. The weather condition in this area is classified as moderate region according to the TRH4. However, it experiences extreme seasonal variations in rainfall. The rainy period of the year lasts 9 months, with January being the highest with an average of 119 millimeters. The estimate current traffic flow, the current annual average daily traffic for Copy Alien Road section is 756 vehicles per day per lane. And the above data was collected from the Department of Transport of Free State. The design guidelines used are as stated below. I was able to use a geometric design manual from Sandra and the geometrical design of the roads, which is TRH 17. Civil designer was used for this road. The software supports the building, information modeling, BIM of different civil engineering infrastructure projects. Furthermore, the software helps in organizing project data, create and analyzing surfaces, creating layouts and road corridors. The road can be defined as the wide strip of land required to accommodate the cross-section elements of the road. The road reserve requirements for this type of road is ranging from 30 to 50, but typically it can be taken as 30. The road is classified under class 3 in the rural region. Road class section, basic lanes, shoulders, side drains are some of the requirements needed to design this road. These are the screenshots during BIM. This is where I chose the road type. This is where I was designing for the cabs, the lanes. and so on. This is generating vertical alignment, road long section, pavement structure design, design standards, guidelines used. The guidelines for road construction materials was TRH14, structural design of flexible pavements for interurban and rural roads, TRH4, Sunral manual. The center line subgrade CBR was taken as the interval of 100 meters in both directions, westbound and eastbound. These are the design CBR calculations. Design CBRs for different subgrade as stated below. Analysis and projection of traffic data. Subgrade design. The aim of the subgrade design is to protect, use, and improve the bearing capacity of the in-situ subgrade material so that the pavement will fulfill the service objective over the analysis period. Bearing capacity of the subgrade is improved by overlaying it with only the appropriate layer material to achieve the integrated structural balanced pavement system. These are the pavement design alternatives. Pavement alternative selected. Due to the high traffic volume on the road, asphalt surfacing is the only viable option. A continuous graded asphalt, conventional binders, 60/70 penetration grade bitumen of minimum thickness 30 millimeters is proposed. Base layer alternative considered were the following: G2 crushed stone, C3 stabilized layer, G2 crushed stone compacted to 89% of apparent density is proposed. It is proven an affordable option for high volumes of traffic. The C3 stabilized base layer is regarded as a high risk due to the upper part of the layer that may be crushed and consequently rumble with resultant loss of density and bearing capacity. Also, the stabilized material normally cracks as a result of shrinkage, causing premature cracks to appear on the surface layer. The cracks will allow the ingress of water into the pavement layers with the consequences of rapid failure of the pavement layer. Subbase layer, a dense C3 layer of uniform high quality material compacted to 95% to 96% of modified H2 density is proposed to ensure the required support for the G2 base layer and accommodate the high volume of water used in the construction of the G2 layer. The drainage conceptual design, drainage standards guidelines manuals used. Sunral drainage manual was used in this project. In the road design, it is very important to make adequate provision for drainage system. The drainage system is essential in the road structure. Below is the requirements of the road drainage system. The side drain should have sufficient capacity and longitudinal slope to carry away all the surface water collected from the roadway. Road reserve drainage requirements. A road drainage system must satisfy two main criteria if it is to be effective throughout its design life. It must allow for a minimum of disturbance of the natural drainage pattern. It must drain surface and subsurface water away from the roadway and dissipate it in a way that prevents excessive collection of water in unstable areas and subsequent downstream erosion. Drainage conceptual design continues. Subsurface drainage is a system of removal of excess underground water from the soil. There are generally two types of subsurface drainage, which are open and pipe drains. The open drains can receive overland flow and thus can also be used for surface drainage. However, open drains are loss of land. Subsurface system that is suitable for this type of road is pipe drains. Thank you.